If you're having trouble with your shortcuts not working on your iPhone or iPad, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you some quick fixes. So, let's get started. First, try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Just hold the power button, slide to power back, power off, and turn it back on. Now, let's check for software updates. Go to settings, then tap on general, go to software update, and update if there's an update available. If the problem persists, you might want to reset your shortcut settings. Go to settings, then go to shortcuts, and toggle off allow toggle off allow untrusted shortcuts and wait a moment, then turn it back on. Another option is to delete and recreate the problematic shortcut. Open the shortcuts app, find the shortcuts that's not working, swipe left and tap delete. Or you can simply select it and click on delete and simply recreate the shortcut. Finally, make sure the app your shortcuts rely on have the necessary permissions. Go to settings, scroll down to app, and check if the permissions are enabled. And there you have it. Those are some quick fixes for when shortcuts aren't working on your iPhone or iPad.